Hi guys, my name is Ifunanya, as you already know, and this is my story. Today we are going to be talking about this building, and why I picked this building is because, well, in class my teacher would talk non-stop about how much she loved the historical masterpiece. Sometime this month, my classmates and I, well, you guys, we went on a heritage walk around the city of Liverpool. We saw different historical sites, like on the left we saw St. Luke's Church, on the right you can see the Blue Coats, which we also saw that day. We saw the Port of Liverpool building, which is shown on the left, one of the three graces. We saw the Arbor Docks, which is shown on the right. And of course we saw our building of discussion today, the building built in 1911 and was the tallest building in Europe at the time. Well, at least until 1932. And was the tallest building even in Britain until 1960. This is Liverpool's most famous building, designed by Walter Aubrey Thomas, and it has similarities to buildings in Chicago and Shanghai. Its height is 322 feet, and its clock faces have such a big diameter that it's even bigger than Big Ben's. When you look at the peaks of the buildings, you see the liver birds. First we have Bella, she watches the sea, and when you continue to look further right, we have Bertie and he watches the city. I'm sure you remember what I said earlier, that Bella looks out to the sea and Bertie keeps his eye on the city. Now I'm going to explain that in detail. Bella's job is to ensure that the boats arrive safely into the port, and Bertie, he keeps his watchful eye on the city to protect the citizens of the city, Liverpool. Even though this is just one, they were both designed by Carl Bernard Bartels. They are made of copper, and legend has it that if one of the birds fly away, or if they should look at each other, Liverpool would cease to exist. The Liver Building is a Grade 1 listed building. If you don't know what that means, I didn't know what it meant honestly at first, but that means it is of exceptional interest. It is one of the three graces, which are the three buildings that line the city's waterfront. These are the three graces, and on the left we have the Royal Liver Building. The three graces are part of the World Heritage Site that Liverpool has, and we all know that this site is at stake. And this is one of the reasons that I got intrigued into this building on my heritage walk around the city. This building turned 100 years old in 2011, and for 100 years and even more than 100 years, it has been important to the city. The fact that the status is at stake means that the reputation of this building is at stake. The importance of this building is at stake. So if Liverpool loses that status, I want you to think about it. Do you think the building will remain important? Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for your time. Once again, my name is Ifunanya, in case you were sleeping the first time I said it, and that was my digital story. Now enjoy the short, yet boring, credit screen.